SpaceX may attempt a Starship rocket system launch in March, its billionaire chief Elon Musk said in a tweet on Saturday. In January, Musk said that there was a real shot at launching Starship in late February, adding that a March attempt appears highly likely. If remaining tests go well, we will attempt a Starship launch next month, Musk recently reiterated in a response to a user's tweet about Starship. The orbital trial will be the first Starship test flight since May 5, 2021. SpaceX since last year has been looking to launch its giant Starship into orbit for the first time, a pivotal demonstration flight as it aims to fly NASA astronauts to the moon. Starship is the collective name for a two-component system consisting of the Starship spacecraft, which carries the crew and cargo, and the Super Heavy rocket. The rocket component will lift Starship to come 65-kilometer altitude before separating and returning to Earth. The upper Starship component will then use its own engines to push itself the rest of the way to the orbit. Starship will be the largest spacecraft capable of carrying humans from the Earth to the destinations in space. The International Space Station is larger, but it was assembled in space. It will be the most powerful launch vehicle ever to fly, capable of lifting 100 tons of cargo to low Earth orbit. Starship is a fully reusable super heavy lift launch vehicle under development by SpaceX. Standing 120 meters tall and with more than twice the thrust of Saturn V, it is designed to be the tallest and the most powerful launch vehicle ever built and the first capable of totally reusability. Partially and fully expendable variants may also be developed. In its fully reusable configuration, Starship is planned to have a payload capacity of 100 tons to low Earth orbit and is designed to be flown multiple times to spread out the cost of the spacecraft. The spacecraft is planned to be refuelable in orbit before traveling to destinations that require more change in velocity, such as the Moon and the Mars. Proposed applications for Starship include regular crewed and cargo launches, building the Starlink internet constellation, and performing suborbital point-to-point flights on Earth. Plans to create a heavy lift launch vehicle at SpaceX date back to 2005. The methane oxygen engines were in development by 2012, and the plan was announced publicly for the first time in 2016. The development program for Starships in 2019 follows an iterative and incremental approach involving frequent prototype construction, testing, and refinement, including low and high altitude flight tests.